Now we start with the second part. The second part is a big part. Again, we start with peeling the part so that the parts are not sticking to each other. And to be sure that there are no two parts, we check the thickness and we make the reference. A reference is in fact not necessary, can also be done without reference due to the fact that the pallets are inclined and that the parts are already in a good position. Again, during these movements, during centering and picking, the machine starts to set up the tools. You see there are 7 rows of dies and 3 rows of punches, and the tools are in toolboxes. Toolbox contains 4 segments of 120 mm or sectionized segments. With the 2 fingers, we can set up very fast the tools, and there is no extra complexity by extra systems. The punches are picked from the side, while the dies are picked from the top. The tools inside the machine make the solution very compact. There is no solution that can be more compact than this. The software is calculating the fastest way to set up the tools online by the touch B controller. You see that the dies are picked from the top and placed in the right position. You see that there are several sections. The minimum section is 20 mm, the maximum is 120 mm. Now is the angle measurement system Ulti-Form laser calibrating, and the robot starts immediately from the center table with the bending. Again, during the process, the angle is measured and there is synchronization between the robot and the machine. The robot is following the machine during the bending. The robot is now changing from position with the gripper. You see that the robot does not extract the part but push the part through to the fingers. When the bends are parallel, there is no time lost by taking out the part and bring it in again. Now the robot knows this and is pushing directly against the fingers for the next bend. And here he is following the part because the part is around the punch. So to extract the part properly, he followed the machine. What you see here is a swivel, so changing from one side to the other side without regret. See the same, the push through with the part. Now the part is around the punch and the robot is moving with the press upsides. Finally, the parts are stacked on a pallet on the stack conveyor.